Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the role of the Chief Operating Officer, or COO. The COO is a key executive responsible for the day-to-day operations of a company. They work closely with the CEO to develop and implement company strategies, ensuring that the business runs smoothly. The COO oversees various departments, making sure that each one aligns with the company's goals and objectives. Data-driven decision-making is crucial for a COO. They rely on metrics and reports to guide their actions. Communication is key. A COO must effectively communicate the company's vision and goals to all employees. Conflict resolution is another important aspect of the COO's role. They must be adept at handling disputes and fostering a positive work environment. The role of a COO is demanding and requires a high level of dedication and commitment. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about management.